Now, for the last award for Team 2, we have the Kyushu University Negative Emission Technology Award. This award is looking for useful and sustainable products that incorporate the technology of converting air into energy. The Kyushu University Negative Emission Technology Award goes to Zhang Zexing from Kyushu University with proposal title Carbon Captured Bus. Congratulations to Zexing. Zexing, would you like to say a few words?
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm greatly honored to be selected for Kyushu University Negative Emission Technology Award. I would like to say thanks for giving me opportunity to attend this conference, giving me a chance to learn about different projects of SDGs, which is a valuable learning experience for me. And I would like to thank Chikawa Sensei for his speech about carbon emissions and technology, which helped me understand the current status and possibility of carbon negative emissions. I would like to thank Ogata Sensei for his guidance, helping me understand the challenges we need to face when a new technology is implemented to society. The experience of joining this project taught me that we need to take more actions to improve the status of carbon emissions. And thanks again for the award. It will encourage me to continue trying my best on SDGs. Thank you once again for your time. Thank you.
Thank you, Zexing. Let's view the video presentation of his proposal.
Hi, my name is Zhang Zexing, and I'm a master student from the Faculty of Power Engineering at Kyushu University. In this video, I would like to introduce my proposal, Carbon Neutral Bus, which I designed for Kyushu University Negative Emission Technology Award. First, please allow me to briefly introduce the background of the project. In terms of negative carbon emissions, a filtration membrane that separates carbon dioxide from the air and a way to convert carbon dioxide into different resources has been created, which can be called DAU system. In this proposal, I try to design an application for the DAU system to help us reach the goal of carbon neutrality. And I will present my proposal for the three aspects to introduce my thinking about DAU system from technology to social implementation. First of all, it is necessary to make effort in the sector that emits the most carbon dioxide and figure out an opportunity that you can improve the problem. According to the research, as the graph shows, that one of the largest carbon dioxide emissions is from the low space. Carbon dioxide emitted by automobiles in concrete low spaces are difficult to be captured centrally. And I think the advantage of DAU minimalization and distributed will make it possible to use transportation vehicle to collect carbon dioxide. If the DAU system is instead into vehicle, we will be able to capture carbon dioxide from the concrete low space, which will improve the quality of life for everyone. This is my design concept. Through the installation of the DAU system in public transportation bus, carbon dioxide in the most space will enter the DAU system with the airflow while driving and be observed, liquefied, and stored in vehicle. The rest of the liquid will be collected by a reuse company and be converted to different resources, which can be return profit for the bus users, encouraging people to choose public transportation. In terms of social impact, I think the visualization of that system will be a good way to encourage people to be made more aware of the problem of carbon emissions from low space and have a greater sense of responsibility and participation in environmental issues. Also, a carbon labels on public transportation tickets will provide users with information about the amount of carbon dioxide emitted while using the bus, encouraging people to use public transportation with transforming their transportation preference into a more low carbon means of transportation. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Zexing. Let us hear from Professor Fujikawa, Kyushu University International Institute for Carbon Neutral Energy Research, Center Director for Kyushu University Research Center for Negative Emissions Technologies, on his comments of this proposal. Professor Fujikawa, please.
Okay, thank you very much. Actually, I congratulate to him. Of course, we received many applications, but we struggle to choose the best proposal. But the reason why we choose his proposal is firstly, our technology is focusing on developing a small system and decentralized system. From this viewpoint, such kind of mobile type of the capture unit may be a kind of symbolic approach to appeal our technology. In addition to this, especially here in Fukuoka, we have a big bus company, so-called Nishitetsu Bus, and they have a lot of bus. So then, of course, we can see a lot of bus in the downtown. That is why, such kind of, approach may have a big impact to the society. And also, including in his proposal, he contains something like a good kind of system to appeal the carbon negative contribution. What is that is some label, carbon footprint label, considered. In that sense, people can recognize how much we contribute to reduce CO2 emission. That also good to accelerate the social implementation of the system. That is why we decide to choose his proposal as our award. So I'd like to, of course, it contains a lot of technological challenge, and also we have to consider another viewpoint, but we choose it. Okay, congratulations. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Fujikawa.